Hello and welcome to Intro to Programming and Database tutorial. Now we're going to be solving assignment number 5, part B. Here we have to accept a score from user and display the letter grade. We have done this kind of a problem earlier on using an if condition, but now we're going to be solving the same problem using a select case statement. So here I have set up my form. I still need to give names to my text boxes. So I'm going to give the name to the first text box as txt score, and then the second text box, which is a read-only one, I'm going to call this one txt letter. Now let me double-click on the button to go behind the scene code. This is where we're going to be writing our code that will going to help us accomplish the task. Okay, so let's get started here. First of all, the input that is coming from the user is in this text box, which is txt score. We need to store this text box. So I am declaring a score variable of type double. And now score will going to get its input from txt score.text. Now we're going to be writing a select case structure on the score. Now we have certain cases to worry about. As the problem defines, if the score is between 90 and 100, the letter A should be the letter grade. 80 to 89 B, 70 to 79 C, 60 to 69 D, and 0 through 59 F. So let's write these case statements. As you might have seen in the other tutorials that I have done as tutorials before the assignments, that's where we talk about how do you go about giving the ranges in the select case. So here I'm giving the range for the score. So if the case is such that a person has scored anywhere between 90 to 100, then we would now like to assign to txt letter the letter grade of A. Now let me copy and paste this so that I don't have to write it again and again and only make necessary changes. I need one for B, one for C, one for D, and one for F. So for the D, it is from for the B, it is from 80 to 89.99. That is a B. For C, it is 70 to 79.99. That's a letter C. For D, it is 60 to 69.99. That's a letter D. And for letter F, anywhere between 0 to 59.99 will be the letter F. So this is basically all you need to do for this step. Now let me run this. And here I have my form to check the conditions. So first of all, whenever I take my input from user, which will going to be in this text box, the text box input will go into this variable score. So let's say if I enter a score of 100. Once score is in this variable score, then the score's value will be tested against these cases. Whichever is the first case where the value of score becomes true, all of the cases will be ignored and the output associated with that case will be displayed. So display letter grade, that's an A. Now let's say if I do 88, that's a B, because the first case fails, the second case executes. Now let's try 75. That is between 70 and 79.99, so that goes into C. Now let me try 64. That goes into D. And any score between 0 through 59, let's say 45, that qualifies to be an F. So this helps us solve this problem as well. Hope you would have enjoyed this tutorial. Catch you in the next one. Have a good one.